Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to do alignment. It's a very small thing, it is not a very difficult thing to understand. Just check. Suppose there is a data, this is data spreadsheet. So I need to align this entire data sheet, spreadsheet. So all the information, all the data in the sheet will be left aligned. That means that will go to the left. So click it here, see, all the data are coming in the left. Then if I want to do it middle, then click here, then all the things, all the data will come in the middle. Then if I do it right, then it will come into right. At the same time, I am showing some other things, that is merger of the cells. It is a small topic, a merger, how to do the merger. Suppose suppose any format, say come to this format. So there is something, then we need to add the data of two cells, or I need to make a heading, say total figure. So we want to club both the cells, then select both the thing, then merge and center. So this is the way you have to select both the cells, then go to merge option, merge and align, and both the cells will be merged, right? Now if you want to demerge the cells or in a particular cell, select the cell and go to same location and demerge the cell and bring the cells in original situation. Thanks for learning.